guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this lip scrub. This is from the brand Bella Vita. This is Bella Vita Nico Lips. This is basically lip lightening scrub balm. This is for 699 rupees and you get around 20 grams of the quantity. It comes in a glass tub like this with a black cap, and this is how the scrub looks like. It comes in a dark pink color, and it has small granules which it looks like this. This is the color. This is small granules which is really good for exfoliating the lips. You just need to take a bit and you have to scrub your lips properly for a minute or two. So this is how it looks like. It has a mild fragrance which goes off after the wash. So let me just read a bit about the brand, what the brand has claimed about the lip balm. So it says, the lip scrub. It says it's a mild and natural lip scrub. It effectively exfoliates dead lip skin, brightens dark lips, fades nicotine stains, restores natural lip color, makes lip supple and soft, lightens lip stains, maintain the plump lips, heals dry and chapped lips, hydrates and moisturizes lips, and reverse sun damage. So this is what the brand claims about the the lip scrub. I don't know why I'm saying lip balm. Sorry, this is basically a lip scrub. So I have been using this for a few months now, and I have little pigmentation on my the lower lip, and I usually use it once or twice a week and just take a bit in my finger and just rub it properly for a minute or two and then wash it off. And it has nice ingredients. Let me just read a bit. They have key ingredients like extracts of beetroot, rose, jasmine, marigold, daisy, orchid, basil, lotus, aloe vera, papaya extract, olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, walnut oil, and cocoa butter, mango butter, organic honey, and all that. So the ingredients are pretty good, guys. And when you apply the lip scrub, you will feel little oiliness because it has walnut oil and coconut oil and all that. So little bit of stickiness you will feel when you are massaging. So anyway, as soon as you are done with the scrubbing of the lips, you just have to wash it off. So after washing, you have to apply a nice lip balm because you might feel little bit dryness on your lips. So it's better to apply a nice lip balm after you wash off the scrub. So I really can't comment about the pigmentation, whether it has reduced the pigmentation on my lower lips or not, because I didn't see a major difference. But yes, it does remove the dead skin and it also make my lips soft and supple. So about the other various claims, like they have said that it reduces the nicotine stains and it reduces the pigmentation and the dark spots on the lips, which is I really can't comment because I don't have major pigmentation and I don't smoke. So I really don't know whether this really works on the lip. So yeah, overall this is a decent lip scrub, guys, and I am actually happy with overall usage of the scrub because I just use it to remove the dead skin on my lips and whatever dryness I have on my lips, like chapped skin. It removes it pretty good, and I am overall satisfied with this lip scrub. And regarding the pigmentation of the nicotine stains and the darkness on your lips, I really can't comment because I don't have that darkness or pigmentation on my lips. Neither I smoke, so I don't have any nicotine stains, but I think you can give it a try, and this will really help anyway, even if it doesn't reduce the pigmentation, but it will really help to remove the dead skin on the lips and it will make your lips soft and supple. So yeah, this was a review of this Nico lips from the brand Bella Vita. I hope this review was helpful for you guys to decide whether you want to give it a try or not. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.